Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to Ride to the Sun. Today we are doing a review on the Tuxedo Lift from Lowe's. Join us. So a couple of pros and cons on the Tuxedo Lift. This is the M1000C. This is 1,000 pounds payload. Of course, air powered. You heard it. That's one of the cons. The loudness, but it's temporary. Once you fill the lines up and the tank is ready to go, it lifts it with no problems. But it is loud for a short period of time. So if that bothers you, that's one con against this lift. It's not that quiet of an operation. Second thing is, it doesn't come with the vise. You have to buy it separately. That's $170 to $200 at this time that we're doing this. So that's one of the things. One, loud operation for a short period of time. Shouldn't bother you too much. Second, you have to pay for the vise separately. It's $200. Currently, they're running about $1,300 for the table by itself. With the vise, another $200 rewound up. So you're looking at $1,500 for this lift. The cool thing about this lift is, in this price point, you have the rear drop out panel, which means you could do your rear tire. You could do both of your tires. I already had the condor, so I just pretty much mounted it on there. I widened the hose out and I mounted my condor. The cool thing about the condor as well is that once the bike is in, if you've seen these, it locks in. Okay, if I'm doing something significant or I'm going to leave the bike on there for a long amount of time, can't speak tonight. I will actually have to add these on, me and the wife. Okay, we mounted these on for more support for the bike so it doesn't move left or right when we were working on it doing the front end build. So it's a very few cons, but otherwise it's pretty well built. It's pretty doable. It took me forever just to drill a hole to it. So it's pretty doable. It's beefy. So if you're looking for something that you can work on your bike with and you don't want something that's going to break the bank, this is a decent table. It doesn't take a whole lot of space. It's 84-inch long, about 24-inch wide. That's another con for me. If I'm on a road glide, which is pretty much the bike that I pretty much park on this because I have very limited space in the garage. When it's here, it's parked on here. So they do sell, I think, extensions on both ends. I think I will invest in those extensions for both ends, especially when I'm on the road glides. It can be a little tipsy. The other thing is, it also has a removable ramp in the back. So you can take the ramp, lift it off. It's pretty easy. You saw me doing it. I posted at the top of the video. Just lift it, take it off, put it on the side. The day that they delivered this thing, it was raining. and we were trying to put the bike on top of it, and all I kept doing was slipping and sliding. So what we did was we bought some of that grip stuff from Home Depot, put the grip strips all over them. Now no problem. I haven't done it in the rain, but I don't think it'd be a problem. So all in all, decent table. Out of 10, what do you think we would give it?
8.5.
8?
8.5.
8.5. I thought this said 5. So my wife would give it 8.5. Yeah, I agree with that. I think 8.5 is a fair score. I already have the tank. All you need is 100 psi, up to 100 psi. You don't even need that much. It will go up effortlessly. I can speak without effort. So even with the bike on there, it went up fairly easily. It's 1,000 pounds payload, but I feel like you could lift more. Safety tip: I wouldn't do it, but I think you could lift more. But that's what I got in the tuxedo. If you're interested in a lift, when I was looking, there wasn't a whole lot of on the tuxedo, but hopefully this helps someone find the tuxedo. I think it's a decent lift. You find it, I think, both at Home Depot and Lowe's. I was going to say Lowe's, but I think we bought it at Lowe's, but I just saw it at Home Depot as well on their website. So I think they picked this up as well. So if you like the video, if it helps you out, give us a like and let us know if it's one of the things you'd like to see. The bike is not here, and it's a little late at night, so I'm not going to run something up on it. And if I do, you won't see this part of the video. If I decide to roll something up and lift the bike or something with it, you'll see that in the post as well. If not, trust me, the bike was just on it. All you have to do is go back and look at my wood glide bill, and you'll see the bike on it. Okay? So thanks for stopping by. This is Ride to the Sun. Give us a like and subscribe.